Omar took a deep breath, standing in front of the glass door of the car showroom. He needed this exact car, but he had to keep his budget calculations clear in his head. After joining the new job, Omar was exhausted from commuting to and from the office by bus every day. Now he needed a car of his own, and he had a specific budget in hand, saved up from several years of savings. Omar didn't just want to buy a car. He wanted his hard-earned money to be spent fairly, so that no one could fool him and take extra money. The night before entering the showroom, Omar took the time to verify the market value according to the car's model, year, and condition on a few reliable price comparison sites. Every site came up with a roughly similar number. In the showroom, Mr. Reyes welcomed Omar with a smile. Showing the car, he stated the price, which was quite a few thousands more than the market value Omar had researched. Omar politely asked, "Are there any additional benefits or fees included in this price?" Mr. Reyes said, "This is a market adjustment fee, added due to high demand." Omar nodded, but inside he understood this market adjustment was actually a vague excuse, not an exchange for any specific benefit. For the first few minutes, Omar didn't argue. He looked around the car carefully, asked some questions about the engine, and behaved like a normal, interested buyer. But in his mind, he had understood. If he argued forcefully here, the salesman would become even more stubborn and might close the negotiation by saying, "This is the final price." Omar needed a way where the numbers themselves would speak, not his emotions or arguments. Omar took out his phone. He brought up the screenshots of the price lists from the 3 reliable sites he had checked the night before and showed them to the salesman. On all these 3 sites, this is showing as the average market value of a car of this exact same model and condition, Omar said calmly. "What exactly is the reason for this difference with your price?" Mr. Reyes's smile faded a bit. He said, "This is just a general guideline. Every dealer has their own price." Omar calmly asked again, "Okay, then this market adjustment fee is for exactly what specific benefit? Any extra warranty, servicing, or something else?" Mr. Reyes hesitated a bit. "This is usually added due to market demand." Omar understood. The salesman had no clear answer to this question. Mr. Reyes said, "Look, this is our store's policy. I cannot change it." Omar felt a pressure inside his chest. After coming this far, doing so much research, what if he has to pay the entire amount in the end? He thought maybe he would have to return empty-handed from this showroom. But Omar didn't give up. He calmly said, "I understand this is your rule, but I have clear proof from 3 different sources that this price is higher than the market value. I am ready to buy today if the price is close to the fair value. Otherwise, I will have to look at another dealership where maybe this fee isn't there." Mr. Reyes stayed silent for a few seconds, looked at the screenshots on Omar's phone again. He said, "Please wait a bit. I will go talk to the manager." He returned a few minutes later, the previous confidence missing from his face. "We can drop the market adjustment fee. Since you have come doing your own research, we are willing to give it at this price." A smile of relief appeared on Omar's face. This discount brought him right within his budget. While signing the paperwork, Mr. Reyes smiled lightly and said, "I rarely see buyers who come with information like you." Omar smiled. "I only wanted the fair price, nothing extra." That afternoon, Omar drove off of the showroom sitting in his new car. While driving on the road, he remembered how he was verifying prices opening one site after another on his laptop the night before. He understood victory in shopping does not mean talking loudly or arguing. Victory means going prepared and letting the numbers speak for themselves.
Remember, do not argue with the price. Take proof. Numbers never lie, and honest preparation is the greatest wisdom.